It is spring, a time to get cleaning and gardening. More time at home now is a great time to tackle cleaning and gardening projects around the house.
Yes.
Kathryn Emery, home improvement and lifestyle expert, has some tips that anyone can easily DIY. Hello, Kathryn.
Hi, Kathryn.
Good morning. How are you guys?
Great.
We are great.
Good to see you.
Loving the setup that you have back there. That
Beautiful.
pool, we are super jealous of the pool that you have in the background there. But we see that you've got some great things to help us out with our outdoor oasis. What do you have?
Well, come outside with me and get everything looking beautiful, because now is the time. So we all want to plant. So plant in planters made of recycled ocean plastic. Did you know there's 8 million metric tons of plastic that gets released every year into the ocean? It's devastating. So when I found Bloom Ocean Series, it just launched this year at Lowe's, I fell in love. What they did is they literally took plastic out of the ocean to make this durable, fade-resistant, made in the USA planter. Here I have my my veggie and herb garden planted here, so you don't need to go to the store as well when you plant things that you can use at home. I have an aloe vera plant here, so anything that you want to plant, you know, I even have something here for my mom. You know, Mother's Day is coming up, so just a great way to get planting the Ocean Series. And now that everything's planted, you want to clean, right? So look at the house. You want to clean the house and the windows. So I have a great solution. This is a 2-in-1. I love things that get the job done easily. So this Rejuvenate, literally, you'll attach it to a hose, you'll clean the house, then you'll turn it, then you'll clean the windows, or you'll turn the nozzle, you'll clean the windows. It actually does the job. Think about those second-story windows, because, right, no one's coming over to help you clean your windows these days. You're on your own, so that way the house is looking beautiful. So now that the house is looking beautiful, let's think about the yard, right? And let's make something else do all the work for us, right? I wish you guys could be here. I wish I could be in the studio with you guys to play with this, but this is the Ego 650 CFM blower. The reason I love it, number one, is everybody should convert to a battery-powered blower if they have not done so, because the battery is as powerful as anything that you're going to get, gas or corded-wise. It's got a turbine engine fan inspired by aeronautics technology. I mean, hello, I'm going to drive it after I finish cleaning my yard. But just it's great. It's lightweight. It goes up to 180 miles per hour, so it can get rid of anything you need, and it runs for 90 minutes, so you're not going to have to worry about charging it to get the job done. Yeah. Now that everything's clean, keep it green. I don't know about you guys, but I don't really have a green thumb, so I need all the help I can get.
Same. Yes, so Kathryn, the same. We are absolutely the same. We love that leaf blower, though.
So I enlisted in Orbit has this smart irrigation system. So literally you can either it's something as simple as just attaching to your hose, or attaching to your existing sprinkler system, and then it does all the work for you. You'll download the app, you'll program in what zone, soil type, slope. It'll know how to water, how much water your yard needs automatically. Do it for you. It'll geo-target with the weather. So if it's going to rain, it'll override it. So Orbit Beehive, just a really great way to have them do all the watering for you. And last but not least, unwanted visitors, weeds, get rid of them, but get rid of them naturally. I always look for natural products. Natria is an EPA certified. Get rid of weeds everywhere. It won't damage any surfaces, concrete. So just a great way to get that finishing touch in there.
Kathryn, thank you so much.
Make sure all those weeds are gone.
Thank you so much. That's some great tips
that
for our
leaf blower
at home. Yeah, I love it.
Storm season is upon us, and while you're stuck inside, Brown's Tree Care is